Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. We won't keep you long. Let's get to the video.
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
Leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next.